Hello world, this is your boy. I was shutting down for Shut You Down Gaming, and I finally got my capture card. Yes. Alright, this is gonna be an unboxing video for it. The Dazzle DVD recorder. Yeah, it's really cool. It's white. Look at that, white. Alright. Toenail clippers. Alright. Now I'm about to unbox it. It's harder than I thought. Oh yeah, I just came back from a charity event called Faith Food from the Faith Food Factory. It's where we packaged some canned goods and stuff and like that. Send to the people that are less fortunate than us. Alright, so got it out of the box. Yeah. Alright, so I'll take out of this plastic. My bad, y'all. I'm doing it with one hand. That's how we do it around here. So here we have the instructions on how to install it and things like that. What's the contents? Yeah. Alright, so we have the installation CD right here. Instant DVD recorder. I don't even need it because I already have Pinnacle right here. Studio 12. Pinnacle Studio 12. Y'all can't see it, but just leave it. Some lady. Oh, online support and product support hotline. So what we have here is the something. I guess it's the guide or something. Yeah. No one cares about this kind of stuff. I don't even need a CD. All I need is the device. This is some Spanish, yeah, that I do not know. Oh, reservation card. I don't know. If you want it, I'll send it to you or whatnot. Oh, video maker. I might start getting these. I might just buy these. Yeah, because I might just become a well, I'm not gonna become one, but I'm just do this stuff. Alright, so here's the Dazzle. Yeah, it's nice and shiny and smooth. Here's the cord, the USB. Alright, so we're gonna take it out of here, sit it right there, move this thing out of the way, throw it on the floor, just like that. So what we have here is the Dazzle. As the it has the red, white, and yellow core plugins. The S video down here. I guess that thing right there is the light that is gonna have probably. Yeah. So y'all are gonna watch me actually install it and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna get my old capture card. That's right here. It worked pretty nice, but don't want it anymore. So go down here, unplug it from all this stuff. Easy cap. I'll sell it to someone for $10. $10. Do I hear $10? Alright, so we're gonna take this off. Like so, because that's the video, obviously. Then we have the white one, and we're gonna stick the white one into the white one, obviously. Now we have the Dazzle all hooked up. So I'm gonna set it up here by my Xbox. 360 and my little dual charger thing, just so it can look good. Dazzle should be sticking out like this. Fix these cords. Yeah, it's not fitting. There we go. Dazzle and Xbox 360 all together.
Yeah, I actually had to practice today. The coach thing was took forever to get there. He didn't get there till like 4:30. Dude, I should have fucking stayed out and walked in the hall until Single got there.
We've taken the lead.
That was a nice random comfort kill.